Unloading lumber to get ready for the interior portion of the building. And, huh? And so this is one of our fields, so we're putting the lumber in there. You can see let me take you back. This is the fence that I did last weekend because we had 4 more horses join us. So I had to split this pasture up, but you can see there's some horses there. We're just keeping lumber in here because we have no place else to put it right now. And I have to wait here to make sure the horses don't run out of the gate. So that's that. Then across the street, there's more horses. That's our field also. Look at them having fun. They're all feisty today. So that's the field. You can see some of the jumps that are out there. So every year in November, we have a big event that's been going on for 25 years, where we over 300 horses and riders come and they ride our property. It's called a hunter pace. They ride the jumps in a course that we design. So Chris and I came out last year to see how they do it, how they do the whole thing. You can see a little glimmer of our barn back there, and I'll resume the video in a few here. Okay guys, I'm gonna film as I drive through. You probably won't hear me because the ATV's loud, but you'll see some animals along the way, like a safari. Those are my horses. These guys are up by the main house. There's 2 of them. Oh, you can see Dookie back there. There's Dookie, and there's 3 donkeys in there. Hey girls! And my emus. There's my emus, guys. Okay, and we have a wild bear that has broken into the house. Benji Bear, what's going on? What's going on, Benji Bear? How are you? Okay, and we've got 2 little kitties. This is Tiki Tiki. Hi, Tiki Tiki. What's happening, honey? And this is Baby. Baby's the bestest. Right, baby? How are you, honey? Is everything okay? Little face, I love this little face. Let's see your little paws. What are you doing, baby? Oh, yeah? We'll send more videos soon. I'll go up close with the emus and the donkeys I have a meeting starting, but I'll get some later.